Okay, while I'm waiting for the wind to pick up to go kite surfing, we're talking collagen powders. A lot of people ask about vegan collagen powders. Do they exist? What are they? What should I look for in a vegan collagen powder? Because as you know, they are on the market. So first of all, there's good and bad news here. First of all, vegan collagen powders do not really truly exist because collagen by nature is coming from animals. And so a lot of vegans will say, well, I can take the collagen powder because of the way it's processed. But for many strict vegans, they will say there's no way I'm taking animal-based collagen powder. And that's really where collagen comes from. The good news is that if you want to take a collagen powder, you can take components that can help boost your own collagen production. Now, why is that important? Because as we age, the production of collagen and things like hyaluronic acid decrease from the age of about 25. So by helping boost your own machinery, you're helping produce more collagen. Now, collagen is found where? Well, when we get it for collagen powders, or if you make your own collagen at home, you know, comes from bone, tendons, ligaments, pieces from animals, and you cook that up in a broth, of which I have recipes on how to make your own collagen broth. But if you are thinking of vegan collagen powders or vegan collagen tablets, then of course they need to come from plant-based sources, and you're looking for three things. Because you can't get the collagen, what you're looking for are the building blocks to collagen. The three most important things you want to look for are going to be lysine, glycine, and proline. Now, the next things you're going to look for will be vitamin C and zinc, because they are necessary to produce collagen. There is some good news for vegan collagen lovers in that they're starting to genetically engineer and make collagen-based products that are not animal-derived, that are human-made, but they're actually collagen and collagen for absorption, as opposed to taking in the building blocks of vegan materials like the lysine, the glycine, the proline. Sometimes you'll even see bamboo extract in some of the vegan ones. So instead of getting the building blocks, you're actually getting the collagen, but again, it's genetically engineered. Now, I know you're going to have a couple questions on this, so let me be specific. These are genetically modified bacteria and yeast that are used to make a form of collagen that mimics human collagen. Now, for the vegans here, educate me. It's genetically modified and they are bacteria. Is that cruelty to animals? Number one. Number two, would you consider it vegan? So a modified bacteria, is that considered vegan? And finally, just a note, these are not yet commercially available, but it does look in the future to be commercially viable. So how can I say with certainty that animal-based is better than plant-based? Well, a lot of those studies come from wound healing. As you know, a lot of what we learn about from skin is wound healing and the ability of the body to repair itself. And when we study wound healing, we know from that data that animal-based derived collagen products and boosting products are superior to their plant-based alternatives. A lot of people will ask me, how long does it take for something like that to kick in when I take the powder or a tablet, be it vegan or animal-based? And it's going to depend on your current health status, your current machinery within your body to produce hyaluronic acid and collagen, and your expectations. In general, if you're on a quality supplement, particularly animal-based, unfortunately, animal-based just works better. It's about 30, 60, 90 days. Those are good metrics. What are you going to see first? Surprising me always is that hair and nails are where people see it first, and you think they're going to see that last because they're slower to grow. Joints will be next. Skin is a third. It's one of the last ones. And so you can maybe cerebralize that in the fact that there's dead skin cells on the surface and they have to exfoliate, and your new skin is going to be better. But collagen powders, the animal ones, are proven through studies, and you can watch my many videos on those, to help with joints, with skin. And there's 3D imaging studies on the crow's feet. I have a video on that shows results on imaging objectively. So if you're a pure vegan, I recommend a healthy diet, high in protein. Keep it as balanced as possible. Go ahead and try one of those vegan protein powders if you want. See if it makes a difference. And remember, you want to look for vitamin C, zinc, lysine, glycine, and proline. You're going to see some other things added into some of them, like copper and like other antioxidants. And on the skincare front, we have a lot of options. In terms of vegan in my skincare line, a lot of things are, including my Ultra Moisture, my retinol, AHA advanced firming in terms of topicals, and then of course vitamin C. Even my lip enhancer is a vegan product. So there's a lot of things you can do topically, and I would maintain that's probably your best bet, is continue with a balanced diet and forego the vegan powder until the genetically engineered ones are perfected and widely available and more studied on the market. But topically is probably your best way to help improve your machinery. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.